like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believed. I'm everything I am because you loved me. You gave me wings and made me fly. You touched my hand, I could touch the sky. I lost my faith, you gave it back to me. You said my star was out of reach. You stood by me and I stood tall. I had your love, I had it all. I'm grateful for each day you gave me. Maybe I don't know that much, but I know this much is true. I was blessed because I was loved by you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my strength. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believed. I'm everything I am because you love me.
Hi, Mama!
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!
Hi, Mama! Kumusta ka na? Thank you, Mama, kasi hindi mo kami pinabayaan. simula bata pa kami. Mama, sorry nga pala dahil hindi kami sumusunod sa'yo at di rin kami nakikinig. Mama, sorry talaga. Mama, promise, magiging mabait na kami sa'yo. At Mama, promise din, mag-aaral na rin kami na mabuti at susunod na rin kami sa'yo.
And, nga pala, to our most beautiful and awesome mother in the whole wide world. Happy Mother's Day, Mama! Nga pala, masabi ko sa'yo ay, ikaw na! Sige, ikaw na! Ikaw na maganda, ikaw na sexy, ikaw na tama, ikaw na lahat-lahat! Pero kahit ganun pa man, tandaan mo, ikaw, Mama, we love you. Lagi mo itatak yan sa isip mo. Kahit hindi man namin sabihin yan sa aming mga bibig. Basta yun, labi. Mwa. At, nga pala, I promise na pagbubutin ko ngayong college life ko. Basta yung debo ko ayan yung pinramis mo din. Sige.
So, ayun naman narinig mo naman siguro yung mga sinabi nila, di ba? Mga nag-promise yung mga yan. Talagang nagpakahirap kami para mapaiyak ka lang. Pero alam mo talaga, ikaw talaga yung the best mom in the world. At alam mo yon, kahit marami mga problema, dumating mga pagsubok sa buhay natin, di ba? Sama-sama pa rin tayo naging matatag na overcome natin yung mga problemang yon. At dahil ganun ka kagaling. And I always thank God each day na dahil we have a great mom like you and we have a very great family. Diba? Tignan mo naman, magaganda yung mga anak mong yan. Siyempre, sa'yo lang nagbana yung mga yan, diba? So, ayun, Happy Mother's Day ulit. Always trust God and put God as the controller of your life. Wag mong tatandaan yan. 'Di ba? Tsaka yung si Uncle Pete, sana siya na nga yung answered prayer namin na magiging man of your life at makakasama mo for the rest of your life, 'di ba? Love you, Ma.
TJ, ikaw na.
Yan.
Lakas.
I love you, Ma.
Dali.
Mga tayo, may tsura, patay mo.